Manulife campers. I hope everyone's having a great day and enjoying the summer with their families. I put together a little fun art project that you can do with your family. It's called leaf painting, and it is what it sounds like. You will need a couple of things. We will need some paint. You can pick up these acrylic paints at Dollarama, Walmart, anywhere they sell paints. These were about 97 cents, so you can get them anywhere. You need leaves, obviously, so when you go and pick up these leaves, you want to make sure you have an adult accompanying you. Maybe it's your park, maybe it's your backyard, maybe it's down the street. So you want to make sure you have that. You can use a paintbrush, or I have these foam brushes that kind of are a lot easier. You can find these at Dollarama as well, or Walmart. And I also got some glue because I wanted to be fancy with glitter. So that's after your paint has dried, you can kind of put on some glitter on top of everything and kind of make it a little more fun and interesting. And you can either paint on a canvas or some construction paper, regular piece of paper, whatever you have. I got this canvas from Walmart, but you can actually get canvases at Dollarama now. So Dollarama would be your go-to place. So let's get into it, and I'll just go over how we can get this done. On a separate piece of paper or a clean surface, or maybe somewhere covered in newspaper so that it kind of protects whatever's underneath, we're gonna lay out our leaves so that we can put some paint on them. And dab the paint on the leaf. You wanna cover your leaf with paint. And once you've done that, you're gonna take your leaf and you're gonna put it onto your piece of paper or your canvas or whatever you're using to make this art with. Canvas right here. And I'm just gonna put my leaf down. I'm just gonna press it down. And remove the leaf. And there you have your first leaf on your canvas. Here I chose a couple of colors and painted my leaf. And we can go ahead and put that down. And take it up. Ooh, that's pretty. Another thing you can do is kind of use kind of a reverse method where you put the leaf down on your canvas or your paper, and then you're gonna go in with the paint. So the paint outlines the shape of the leaves in your painting. So we're gonna just pick our little colors and just, you can do with the whole leaf or just bits and pieces of it. Use your imagination. Once you're done covering that leaf, you just want to lift it up and see. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Because you have this whole leaf kind of covered in paint already, you can just kind of reuse that. Put that down. And then use the paint from that side and just kind of press it down and see what kind of designs. It's really pretty. And you can always overlap your different leaf designs onto that. You kind of think you're a little bit happy with the whole thing. You can go ahead and add some glitter to the wet paint or anywhere that you think you kind of want it to have a little bit of pizzazz. So I think I'm kind of done. I mean, if you think that you have enough leaves and enough of a pattern on your canvas or your piece of paper, then you can stop there. I'm gonna go ahead and add some glitter. If your paint is a little dry, you can go in with some Elmer's glue and the glitter itself, and I'll show you what it is after we're all done. So when it's all done, it'll look something like this. And I did add some sparkle in there so you can kind of see. And you can add whatever you want to it. If you have some little pieces of tissue paper, like colored tissue paper, you can go ahead and add that. You can kind of make it your own and put whatever you want. Little pieces of macaroni, but just kind of have fun and use your imagination. But I hope everyone's having a great summer and you have a great rest of the summer. Have a good one, guys. Bye, kids.